The construction industry is on the cusp of a major transformation. Join us as we explore the exciting future of building. In this video, we'll dive into the key trends, technologies, and shifts that are redefining how we plan, build, and operate structures. Currently, the construction industry faces challenges like labor shortages, productivity gaps, and complex projects. But innovation is accelerating change. To meet future demands for sustainable, resilient, and cost-effective infrastructure, transformation is not just an option, it's essential. Technology is the biggest disruptor. Let's look at the key technological trends shaping the construction site of tomorrow. From automated welding to drone-based inspections, robotics and automation are enhancing precision, safety, and speed on site. Expect to see new self-healing concrete, advanced composites, and bio-based materials that reduce environmental impact and increase durability. BIM is moving beyond 3D models. It's integrating real-time data, project scheduling, and cost management for true digital twins. The industry is embracing digital transformation, with data becoming the most valuable resource for optimization and risk management. Artificial intelligence and machine learning are analyzing massive data sets to predict potential delays, optimize logistics, and enhance design processes. Internet of Things sensors are providing real-time data on everything from structural integrity and environmental conditions to worker location and safety compliance. By leveraging this continuous stream of data, project managers can move from reactive problem-solving to proactive, data-driven decision-making. The climate crisis makes sustainability and resilience paramount in future construction projects. Future buildings will prioritize net-zero energy consumption, using solar, geothermal, and advanced insulation to minimize their carbon footprint. Resilient design ensures structures can withstand extreme weather events, adapting to climate change impacts for long-term safety and functionality. The evolution of the industry demands a shift in skills and roles for the next generation of construction professionals. Workers will need to be upskilled in digital tools, data analytics, and robotics management to thrive in this technologically advanced environment. New project delivery methods, like modular and off-site construction, are also changing how projects are managed and executed, leading to greater efficiency. The future of construction promises safer sites, higher quality structures, and greater sustainability. It is an exciting new era. From AI-driven design to robotic execution and sustainable materials, the industry is becoming smarter, faster, and greener. What excites you most about the future of construction? Share your thoughts and join the conversation in the comments below.